Hello everyone and welcome back to our Azure Databricks Zero to Job Ready course. In the previous video, we created our Azure Databricks workspace and explored the main areas of the platform. Today, we are going to write our first PySpark code and create our first data frame. So let's open Databricks and get started. Before we write code, let's quickly understand PySpark. PySpark is the Python API for Apache Spark. It allows us to process large datasets using Python. As a data engineer, you'll use PySpark for tasks such as reading data, cleaning data, transforming data, joining datasets, aggregating data, and building data pipelines. In this course, we'll use PySpark extensively. Let's create our notebook. Go to Workspace and create a new notebook. Let's name it as 02_first_PySpark_notebook. Select Python as the language. Now we have our notebook ready. Depending on your Databricks environment, you may need to select or start the appropriate compute resource before running Spark code. Let's start with one important concept, that is SparkSession. SparkSession is the entry point for working with Spark. In a Databricks notebook, the SparkSession is generally already available to us through the Spark variable. Let's test it. Write Spark and run the cell. If the Spark session is available, Databricks will return information about the active Spark session. See, Spark session is showing, it means it's available now. So remember, Spark is our entry point for working with Spark. Now let's create a small customer dataset. We'll start with 5 customers. I pasted a data here, you can see. Now let's define the column names. Our columns are customer ID, name, city, and age. Next, we'll create our data frame. So data frame as df equal to spark.create data frame in bracket data, comma columns, bracket close. And let's display it by writing display in bracket df. Great. We have just created our first PySpark data frame. Let's understand the data frame. Let's inspect the structure of our data frame. To inspect this, we will write df.print schema and then parenthesis. This shows us the columns and their data types. We can also check how many records we have. The result should be 5 because we created 5 customers. We can also look at the first few records. So we now know how to inspect our data frame. Now let's perform our first transformation. Suppose we only want customer ID, name, and city. We can use select. This returns only the columns we selected. This is one of the most commonly used data frame operations you'll use in PySpark. Now let's say we only want customers from Mumbai. We can use filter. We should now see Rahul and Neha. Follow this course and run these examples yourself. I'll see you in the next video.